Hello friends, hope you're good. As usual, it's Professor Sam 2025. That is my YouTube channel. Just go and visit this YouTube channel as we learn English, French, and Kinyarwanda. So here we are starting with the conversation between two people, John and Moses. This one is going to make a recap or to help you learn how to introduce yourself when you meet someone at first time. If it is going to be interesting, just comment and share. So this J is just for it's John, but I tried to write it in a short. So M, it's Moses. So where you see J, no, that is John. Where you see M, you know that is Moses. So we go. In English, John is starting to greet, said, "Good morning." And Moses replied, "Good morning." And John said, "How are you?" It's a question mark. Moses said, "I'm fine, thank you." You're saying? And Moses said, "And you?" Just Moses was asking John. John said, "I'm fine." And John asked Moses that, "What is your name?" What is your name? And Moses said, "My name is Moses." And Moses asked John, "What is your name?" Or he could even simply say yours, but he chose to say, "What is your name?" And John replied, "My name is John." Guys, this is in English. So we go in French and we see how we can introduce ourselves in French. And as you see, good morning, you can see this fresh. It is showing you here how in French we say those words. So in French, where we say good morning, in French is bonjour. And now we are still with John and Moses. And Moses said good morning. In French said bonjour. Bonjour, bonjour. Comment ça va? Comment ça va is how are you? And he replied, "Ça va bien, merci." Ça va bien, merci. And he asked, Mr. Moses said, "And you?" In French say, et vous? And John said, "Je vais bien." Or, ça va bien. Je vais bien, ça va bien. And now, where we say, "What is your name?" In French we say, "Comment t'appelles-tu?" Comment t'appelles-tu? The reply is like, "Je m'appelle Moses." And now, Moses said, "What is your name?" And John said, "Je m'appelle John." Yeah. Je m'appelle John. So this is how you can introduce yourself when someone says, comment ça va? Or you can say bonjour, bonjour. Comment ça va? Ça va bien. Merci. Et vous? Je vais bien. Ou bien you can say ça va bien. Comment t'appelles-tu? Je m'appelle Moses. There you put there your name. Moses asked, comment t'appelles-tu? Je m'appelle John. And in Kinyarwanda, it's mwaramutse. Where we say bonjour is Kinyarwanda, we say waramutse or mwaramutse. It depends on how you want to greet someone. And the reply is mwaramutse, as usual. Comment ça va? Oh, how are you? It's vite. And you reply ni byiza. Ni byiza murakoze. Fine, thank you. Or ça va bien, merci. Et vous? Or and you? In Kinyarwanda we say mwebwe. And in the reply is ni byiza. Or meze neza. Ça va bien? Je vais bien. I'm fine. Witwa nde means what is your name? Nitwa Moses. Je m'appelle. Oh, my name is Moses. Je m'appelle Moses, as we learned there. And you? Wowe witwa nde? This is what we say. And you? Wowe witwa nde? Je m'appelle. Oh, my name is John. Nitwa John. So guys, thank you for watching. Just show me that you are interested and we proceed. Have a good day and enjoy your lessons, and try to, where you don't understand, try to pause and read. Here is English, you see, French is there, and Kinyarwanda, you can see it's there. Thank you.